Stock market tips everyone should know about. Entering into the stock market is something that appeals to many, but it is a decision that should not be taken lightly. Prior to making a potentially risky investment, read the useful tips in this video. Continue watching to find out more. Like a lot of things in life, there is a risk involved with investing in the stock market. However, if you first invest your time in educating yourself about stock investments, you can minimize that risk. The first step in minimizing risks is to acknowledge that risks are involved. With education and research, it is possible to realize an annual return of 10 to 15% on your investment with very minimal risk. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. The stock market has a lot of appeal for a variety of reasons, and the chance to earn big rewards is a primary one. Take the time to educate yourself and practice with either paper trading or small sums of money. Apply the tips you read and you should soon be making the best decisions possible. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.